Morning all, just thought I'd a quick message to everybody in the UK. It's 1:45 in the afternoon here in Manila. We're in Port area. We've come to an area which is like well known for second-hand air conditioning and reconditioned fridges and stuff. Because the new condo doesn't come with a fridge or a freezer. Today we're going to have a look around. There's one in specific one we'll come to look at. But yeah, this place is crazy. We thought it was like a big warehouse, but it's like a street with loads of fridges and air conditioning. Oh, so help me buy a fridge.
Cute. This one's cute.
No, dirty. So I'm used to having the old American style fridge, but this is too big. We only have 65 centimeters wide, 175 tall, so it doesn't fit. Although we'll just double check. Yeah, too wide. Too wide. I'm looking at ones that are no good. This is nice. Too wide though. I need to start looking at them. What do you see?
Here it's 79.
79 wide?
Oh.
Shame. So height's good. What make is that? Oh, LG. We're actually toying with the idea just to add a bit of fun to the kitchen of getting that in these commercial fridges. And then we can put a separate freezer in the what we call the maid's room, where it's out of the way. Because the freezers here are obviously small in proportion. Is that too wide?
70.
A shame, it's nice. Nice LG.
54.
That fits?
54.
Don't like it.
Huh?
Don't
Don't
like it.
like? Let's see.
Good cheap. I look new, modern.
65.
Yeah, it fits. That now. Do you look like it? It's really up to you. More freezer, quite a bit of freezer space.
Uh-oh.
Is that enough fridge space? Free bottle of water with every purchase.
Ini mereka saya dia Paul kemana? Hah? Yang beri dia besar?
Here na lang, boss.
Ano yang beri dia besar?
I'm okay with
Hello,
this.
hello Ate.
Sampai dia sudah awal-awal.
I'm okay with this.
Is that just a fridge?
Ano?
Nice one.
Freezer and fridge. Diba?
Yeah, but there's too much of a gap here. The only way I'd do it
We
is
can
put the microwave.
Oo, there. Diba?
Okay, so can we measure from the floor to here? And then we can do that, and then we can actually get a separate freezer anyway for the maid's room.
Bicara apa dulu?
Oh,
Yeah,
154.
160. So under one. Yeah, that'd fit.
Diba?
With a microwave on top. Yeah, and with the.
Good.
Yeah, depends.
It's okay also. Diba? Clean.
Yeah, it's
And
good.
this
It
one
looks
is
good.
clean
Modern.
also.
Yeah.
Magkano to?
Depends how cheap though.
Mura lang.
I prefer the.
Hindi, ito lang. Meron kami microwave eh. 9.5? Ano naman?
Bawasan natin.
Bawasan natin.
They sell the microwave as well. How much microwave?
We already have microwave.
Eh?
12 with microwave. We already have microwave. Ay,
No, we don't. No.
Magkano pagkasama microwave? Anong bawas? 10. 10.
We look at the other one.
Ha? 10? 10K? With the microwave.
It's up to you.
Patingin ng microwave. Gamit na rin to.
Is it
It's new.
Chrome? Chrome?
New? New? Okay, pero ito, gamit na yung ref.
Okay, so
Already.
what we need for our condo, we needed a washing machine, which I bought her for Valentine's.
Pero gamit na siya.
We need a new bed, so I don't own a bed.
Oh, second.
We need a fridge and a freezer and a microwave, and that's it to move in. I've still got a couple of months, so that's why we're shopping around looking for bargains.
Pwede pa ano? Paano na rin, pa-testing yung ref.
$9. I'm not paying more than $9.
Ha?
Is that small? Are you sure you're okay with that size?
Oo, because it's microwave is okay.
Yeah, I know. But is that enough for us?
Oo,
And Nicole? And the dog and the cat?
it's okay.
I mean, we could always buy a small freezer to go in the bedroom.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Oo, it's okay.
You like that, don't you?
Oo. Because it's clean, oh.
No.
Glass.
9K.
Glass.
9K
Thick
both.
glass.
9K both. Otherwise we look at the other one. Alright, thank you.
He said 12. And I
No, you said 10, didn't you?
12 first.
Oh, no.
12 first, then I said 10.
Yeah, he said 10?
He said 12. I said 10.
Yeah.
It's okay 10. He said okay 10.
Okay, should we do it?
Like no glass. This glass.
It looked good. It looked good.
Cannot, like this scratch.
Yeah, right, no.
Operate mo naman, hindi ako marunong yan. Hindi ako marunong ito.
Operate.
Sure. No scratches on there. Is that is that plastic? Ah, it's plastic. Yeah. That's fine.
Eh, ano muna? Pasaksak mo kuya.
Ay, nasaksak na.
Pasaksak na?
You throwing karaoke?